Hello everyone, this is Radhika, Advocate Radhika Sharma, and currently I am interning with Lexis and Company. So, our today topic for video is Right to Freedom, Article 19. So, let's start with the topic. The right to freedom is one of the fundamental right guaranteed by the Constitution of India. It is very important to understand that what this right includes. Right to freedom guarantees freedom for citizen to live a life of dignity, among other things, and these are given in Article 19. Give protection of six rights concerning the freedom of first one is concerning the freedom of speech and expression. The state guarantees freedom of speech and expression to every person of India. However, the state can impose restriction on the freedom of speech and expression in the interests of the integrity, security, and sovereignty of the country. Friendly relation with foreign nation for public order with respect to defamation, incitement to offense, or friendly relation with foreign nation for public order with respect to defamation, incitement to offense, or contempt of court. The second one is freedom to assemble. So इसमें the state guarantees every person the freedom to assemble peacefully without arm. However, as above, reasonable restriction can be imposed in the interest of the sovereignty and integrity of the country and public order. And the third one is freedom to form association, unions, cooperative societies. So again, the state can impose restriction in the interest of the integrity, security, and sovereignty of the country. Security and sovereignty of the country. Friendly relation with the foreign nations or for public order with respect to defamation, incitement to offense, or contempt of court. This freedom give workers the right to form trade union, which is thus a fundamental right. So the police forces, the first is the police forces, like Restriction of Right Act 1966 prohibit police personnel from forming trade unions, and the constitution also allow the parliament to pass a law restricting the right to form political association to member of the armed force, intelligence bureau, person employed with the telecommunication system. And the fourth right is freedom to move freely. A citizen of India can move freely throughout the territory of India, but this right can also be restricted on the ground of security, public order, or for protecting the interest of the scheduled tribe. And the next right is freedom of residence. Citizens of India have the right to reside in any part of the country, although restriction can be imposed on the ground of security, public order, or for protecting the interest of the scheduled tribes. And the last right is under Article 19 is freedom of profession. All citizens have the right to carry on any trade or profession, like occupation, provided the trade or occupation is not illegal or immoral. Also, and the law does not prevent the state from making laws related to technical or professional qualification required for practicing the occupation of trade.